Saddle up, partner. Hey, what's up? I'm Russ, and this is Dapper Dividends, where we are working to make work optional. And before we get to the Worthy Bonds news, which some of you have been asking me what's going on with Worthy Bonds, well, I've got news for you on Worthy Bonds, so we're going to check that out really quick. And I got a money power saving tip for you as well. Today I did a lot of welding, and I was in the hot sun, and it kind of sucked, but this is the thing. I'm on a journey of 1,000 miles and I was able to earn a little bit more wealth. And if that little bit I earned today is just one more step forward in my journey of 1,000 miles, then that's the name of the game. I'm progressing toward that goal. And when I hit that goal of making work optional, then it's on to the next goal. And we'll do something that we love, making work optional. Maybe I'll still do this. Don't know, but this is the whole reason that I'm sharing my journey with you is I am working to make work optional. And if you dug that opening little sequence video animation I did that in literally 5 minutes at Videos. Click the link in the description below. And if you want to sign up and use the special discount code, I will get a little bit of a commission from that at no extra cost to you. The big money saving power tip that I use is I shave the sides of my hair, slick the top back, and then I take care of the sides once a month, and then maybe every 3 months I cut the top. And I do it all myself. Summertime we do it on the deck, wintertime it's in the garage, and I do apologize to anybody that cuts hair out there for a living, that I've taken myself off the grid, so to speak, but we all make our sacrifices and we all do things to save money. So I've adopted this wonderful fire hairstyle that I've been rocking and literally rolling for the better part of a decade now. And by the way, if you don't know how Worthy Bonds works, check out this video right here where I break down exactly how Worthy Peer Capital functions. So let's dive right into this email that I got from Worthy Bonds, where they show us right off the bat some of the new screenshots from the new mobile app that they're working on. Very nice, Worthy Bonds. And now if you'll kindly don your reading glasses, let's get into it. Actually, you know what? Let's have a little bit of fun with this. I'm going to read most of this, so pause the video. Go to that little gear icon. Yeah, that's the little circle gear icon. Put me on 2x double speed and we'll just rip right through. Worthy Bonds says, in a nutshell, we have been navigating through an extraordinarily long qualification process with the SEC for our next series of Worthy Bonds. We filed the new bond offerings with the SEC in October of 2020, and it has historically taken them about 90 to 120 days for our review and qualification process, so you can imagine our frustration with how long it is taking this time around, even with predictable delays due to the holidays and the January change in administrations. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the review process, we submit our offering circular to the SEC, and then they review it and begin a back and forth written Q&A communication with us as the bond issuers through what are known as comment letters. The SEC can take weeks between sending each comment letter to issuers, so therein lies the primary delay. For example, they can send us a letter with 20 questions or comments, which we address, and then they can take additional weeks to either ask us for further clarifications on our answers, or they can even ask us totally new questions. We have been doing everything in our power to expedite this question and answer process, like having our legal team turn around our replies in a matter of days. But unfortunately, there is no way for us to make the wheels of government turn any faster. We know our worthies are itching to buy more bonds, and believe us when we say, we feel your pain. There is some good news though. We filed 2 offerings last winter instead of our usual 1. And the SEC has allowed issuers like us to increase our offerings from 50 million to 75 million. So when we do get the green light, we will have a larger quantity of bonds available. And we are preparing a 3rd offering to file by the end of this month. And they wrap it up by saying, while the qualification process concludes, rest assured we are still keeping busy here at Worthy, making loans with the capital from our past bond sales and loan repayments, building out an even better bond platform and mobile app for you, as seen in the screens above, and continuing to grow with new hires and new product ideas worthy of our awesome customers. Again, we apologize for the unanticipated delays, but working in a highly regulated industry has its challenges. A thank you for your patience. So it's just a matter of time before they're able to get more bonds out and let us buy more bonds. And this is why I've kind of backed off on the stashing worthy acorns, because first of all, it was not a great idea for the sole focus of a channel. It's more of an ancillary little experiment to run. But Worthy Bonds is going to be way, way behind Stash and Acorns. So I'll update on July 1st where Stashing Worthy Acorns is at. And they end the email with this really cool quote from Margaret Bonanno. Says, being rich is having money. Being wealthy is having time. I could not agree with Miss Bonanno anymore, because wealth is truly measured in time. If you did not receive one more dollar from right now today, how long would your money last? That's going to tell you how wealthy you are. And that's a great way to wrap up this episode. Let me know if you have any questions, and please do check out the video I made on how Worthy Bonds and Worthy Pure Capital works, and I will talk to you there.